Hi guys, I just thought I'd do a quick little video of my week. So for those who don't know me, my son is addicted to tennis and I spend about 4 of my nights here every week. I've had a week from hell when it comes to being busy. I've just been swamped this week. I woke up on Tuesday just not wanting to adult at all. Wednesday morning I woke up and I didn't even want to get out of bed. My son told me he was sick and I was thinking, great, no school, no sport, and then he said, oh no, I feel okay, I'm going to give it a go. And I was disappointed. So that's a bit scary when a mum is actually disappointed that her son is not sick. So Thursday, again, I had a really crappy day. I was just feeling off and I decided that I needed a break. So I made the decision that I would not come to tennis today. Now, that sounds great because we're normally at tennis until about 7 o'clock tonight. However, making that decision meant that I missed out on doing cardio tennis. Now, cardio tennis is something that I have been doing twice a week for the last couple of weeks, and I'm absolutely loving it. And I've noticed a huge difference in my fitness since starting it. So making that decision, I knew that I wouldn't be coming to cardio tennis. I was okay with that. I knew I needed a break. So that was fun. Woke up this morning, completely different attitude. I was like, okay, I'm going to get this done. I put my big girl panties on and I got stuck into it. I took the kids to school, I got stuck into it, and I got so much done at home. Fair enough, I didn't get any work done. I didn't actually work today, but I got so much done at home. I even removed the caravan sheets and towels and everything that had been cleaned and washed and just piled on our ping pong table. They've been there for about 2 months. I put the fans out into the shed that we haven't used for probably a month either. I even put the trundle bed away. I got all the washing done. I cleaned, did the dishes. It was amazing how much I got done. I then went and put my workout gear on and I drove to get my organic veggies from Whole Food Harvest, which I'll put a post up later of the yummy food that I got. I raced back here. I've actually put the food in the fridge here at tennis, and I have dropped my car off because since the start of the month I've been driving here before school pickup and walking up to our school to pick the kids up and then walking back. So I wasn't going to be doing that today either because I wasn't coming to tennis. So because I put my big girl panties on and got my finger out of my bum, I have managed to get here and had enough time to do this video, and I'm about to walk up and get the kids from school, come back and do cardio tennis. I'm not staying till 7 o'clock tonight. I am going home, so I have made that choice. But I think because I adulted yesterday and made that decision that I wasn't going to do it today, it made me realise that I have the choice here. It's my choice whether or not I want to do it or not. I'm not made to do it. And that completely changed my attitude this morning. It made me realise that I can still come for cardio tennis and I can still walk to the kids' school, but I don't have to stay until 7 o'clock at night and do the other one. It's not, I don't have to be here for the rest of it. I can choose what I want to do. I could have done nothing and I probably would have felt like crap, but I've done it. And I don't think I'd realised that before. Like, I'm always a yes person. Yes, I'll do this. Yes, I'll do that. Where yesterday I made that choice that I wasn't going to come, and I was happy with that choice. But this morning I went, you know what? I'm still not going to do the other one, but I'm going to do cardio tennis. And I'm very, very excited about that. So I thought I'd share. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I'm off to walk up to the school to get the kids. I'll see you later. Bye.